Next section of our vacation, we are at another friend's house on a lake that they live by, Finley Lake in New York, and we are about to go on the boat and get tied behind the boat. My daughter's already in the little tube over here. Here's my daughter. Hey, Maddie, say hi.
Hi.
You ready to go out there, huh?
For your daddy?
You ready to go out there?
We're going to get real wet.
Oh, wow. So it's not waterproof. Ooh. Ooh.
Well, they have a drain underneath it.
Ooh.
When you go fast, it should suck the water right out. They're not built to sit in there and...
There's the lake. Got some boats out there already with the tubes. Matt is out there getting wet.